Hello everyone, it's Heather here and it is Tuesday, June 29th. I took two plays today, one that I was in, took it as a swing trade, gave me 20-some%, had to be happy with that, took it, and then entered a second play. So I'm going to talk about AMD. This is the one I got in and I'm already out, and then I'm going to talk about Twitter. Both of these we were watching very early in the day, just really looked like they were getting ready to make a nice move, and they sure did. And now AMD, when we started looking at it, keep in mind, we didn't have this candle. We couldn't see this big old candle. I mean, in hindsight, everything looks beautiful. Well, at least you can make it look beautiful. But look at this. We opened up, had a nice opening print, came up, took a nice little pause, and then just continued to climb. And it was through this volume that I really took a hard look at it. We hopped in. And then as it climbed up here, pretty, just pretty steady, ended up giving us 20% on that trade. There's really not much more to say to it. Would have been more than happy to hold on to it as swing. And I think, this is one that we got out the other day, and just, having to get back in and holding the way it is, it may be setting up very well here for now another entry and a swing. So we'll keep an eye on that. I had entered the 820 AMD $90 call, and I entered that at 445. So, and then I put a trailing stop. I alerted out that I put a trailing stop on it for 15 cents. So I didn't do a percentage. I took the bid and ask spread at that point and added a nickel to it. So it was a 10-cent spread. I added a nickel and took the trailing stop up and ended up selling this for just over 20% as it took out that trail stop. Why did I use a trail stop? Very simple. I couldn't sit here and just look at those candles. As I walked through that normal 10% where I take my, a lot of times take my my profit, I was able to stand here and watch, and they were moving well, so I did not set my sell at 10% since I could sit here and watch. At the point where I had to walk away from the screen, I went ahead and put that trailing stop on and maximized for some pretty decent profit. Now, did I miss out on a little? Yes, I did. Did I cry about it? No, I didn't. Remember, if you walk away from the table and you left money there, that means that you walked away with some money. Okay, so now the one that I am in here is Twitter. So Twitter looking it looks really sloppy here to start the day. This is the other one I was watching as we came up here and broke like that touch up here, but then it quickly fell back down. We went ahead and played AMD. Now through the day, you can see that we are making this climb, putting in some higher highs, some higher lows. And if you look here on the daily, now this is where I look to get in. I look at this volume profile, and you see where we cleared out this resistance from this profile right here was right at the 69.05 mark there. That was the trigger to get in. Now we did retrace from that just a little bit. You can see we've put in this little bit of a channel. So really want to see that we close top side of this candle. It is holding in a channel, and I would use the low of today, maybe just a little bit more than the low of today, add, let me see, 67.75. That's where I want to stay above 67.75 here. That's holding onto this volume profile bar. 67.75. Want to stay above that on the close today. So we'll watch the overall market as well to see, of course, these move, right along with this, the Qs there. And so when we take those little dips in the Qs that are crawling up right out of the opening range here, when we take those little dips, you'll see those little dips as well in any of those NASDAQ charts. Okay, if you have any questions, be sure to reach out, Heather C. at GivingTreeTrading.com, and I'm more than happy to help you out, talk you through a trade, or would love if you just came and traded with us. Hope to see you soon.